Hi guys, welcome to Grow with Kit. It's the 4th of March today. This is going to be episode 9. It's just going to be a quick update video, update you on how all the seedlings are doing, etc. Show you a few things. We survived the snow, the beast from the east. We ended up with about 2 or 3 inches of snow, not a massive amount, but it was enough to get the kids out and throwing snowballs and stuff, so it was quite fun. Hasn't killed any of the plants yet, as far as I can see, all the snow. We'll have a little look around, show you the seedlings and some other bits and bobs. So we'll get cracking and I will get back to you in a second. Alright guys, so these are my youngins. They seem to be doing alright in the conservatory, even though the temperature's been dropping. I'll sow a couple more pots on the 12th, they've all germinated. There's a few more in these pots, so doing well. Get one down so I can show you. That's doing alright. A couple of them are starting to get a bit thicker. I've had a few problems with them, like for instance this one here. I think that bit there's got caught and it's pulling it over, so I might try and snip that in between there, straighten it up a bit, but as I say, I've sown far too many, so I just keep the good ones and get rid of the weaker ones. So these are the ones which are probably getting less light down this end, so they're not doing as well, but as I say, I've got plenty of good ones. So yeah, that's the youngins. I'll get back to you in a second. I don't know if you remember on my other video, one of the other videos, we sowed some more seeds on the 12th. We've sown some spinach. Can't remember how many was in there, but I've got 2 come up in that one, and that looks like a tomato. So I have no idea how that got in there. It might be a spinach, but all the other ones they start off they're pretty big seedlings. So that looks like a tomato in there to me. These are my Monday tomatoes, which is a big beefsteak variety which I grew last year. They did really well last year, so I'm growing a few of them again. That's my Monday tomato in there. These are Golden Sunrise. I think they're starting to get a bit leggy, so, but they should be fine anyway. That's more tomatoes in there, more spinach. These are crystal lemon cucumbers which haven't come up. That's the same. That is a honeydew melon, which has only just started poking through, so give him another day or 2 and he'll be out properly. There's another one coming up there. I did sow a few in there because I only wanted to do 1 pot of them because I haven't got the space. That's watermelon sugar baby. These are my own seeds, so I'm not sure if they're going to be viable. There's nothing yet, but I would have expected them to come up quite quickly. They're sort of the same as the honeydew melons and stuff like that, so, but I'll leave them in there for a bit longer. So yeah, so that's an update on them. I'll get back to you in a second. Right, so you remember the tomatoes from the last video that we potted up? They're all here, they all survived. We didn't have any transplant shock. They seem to have stopped growing, but that's quite normal, but they seem to have started again now, so they're doing well still. They're looking quite healthy. We've got this one here. Seems to be far ahead of the other ones. You know, it's like almost double the size of some of the other ones. So they were sown on the same day, same conditions. It's just strange how some of them do much better than others. I suppose it's stronger seeds. I suppose it's like anything. These are Cucumber Market More 76, which we've potted on. If you look back on my other videos, you'll see me sowing the seeds and separating the seedlings and potting them on. So they're doing really well. Oh, there's another tomato in there. How? I don't understand this. Unless some seeds got mixed up from somewhere. I don't know. Some fell out somewhere in the compost or something. But I don't know. I see they're doing well. The roots have already got to the bottom of that pot. So, but they'll be fine for another week, 2 weeks in these pots. So there's no rush to get them outside, obviously, because it's only just March, so they won't be able to go out until May, or maybe end of April, depending on how the weather's looking. Hang on, I'm being summoned by one of the children, so I will get back to you in a second. Alright, these are chili cayenne, which were sown on the 20th of January. They all seem to be doing really well. They look quite strong seedlings. I mean, I don't know if they're a bit leggy, but I think they look fine to me. So yeah, they'll need repotting soon. But as I say, the chilies they're a bit more slow growing than tomatoes and stuff, so you can leave them in the pots for longer. You don't have to worry too much. But we will need to repot them soon. It's just a case of getting around to doing it. It's be quite fiddly. These are my Havana Gold chilies, and I have no idea what is wrong with these, but they are looking terrible, aren't they? We've had leaves falling off of them. They just look horrible, look at them. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I might try repotting a few. If I repot them up to cover up all this purple leaf stem, that will reroot from there. So as you can see there, if you look at that one very carefully, these little white lumps, if that was buried under the soil, that would root from them little white lumps. They've come on because obviously it's been too damp and it's quite close to the compost, so that's where the roots would come out if you buried the stem. So I don't know what we'll do with them. I'll probably try and keep a few, pot them on, but I can sow more, so it doesn't matter. There's loads of time left still. These are the Carolina Reapers. They're looking okay. They're not particularly strong seedlings. They look a bit weak. I'm thinking it's just down to light levels and possibly me watering them too much. I don't know. Maybe I might let them dry out a bit in between, a bit more. Yeah, so that's the chilies. I'll get back to you in a second. We'll have a look at something else. Now, this is an orange tree, which I've grown from seed. This was grown last year. I thought it was dead or dying, but if you can see, all these little green shoots starting to appear, so it's not dead. So I'm hoping So it's going to sprout back to life soon, and loads of new growth. Yeah, so that's an orange tree. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks very much for watching. If you could please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that thumbs up button. And while you're at it, if you've got any questions or if you've got any pointers for me, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching everyone. See you later.